Hi everybody, welcome back to Money Talk. It's been such a long time since I've posted one of these videos, and I hope your 2018 has been a really wonderful year like mine has. But I want to help everybody finish out the year strong by bringing up some really great money topics again, some practical ideas for the whys and why nots of some of your money decisions, right? And so today's topic, I want to talk about why you don't want to pay off your mortgage with the proceeds of a life insurance policy. It's a terrible idea. In theory, it sounds like a smart thing to do to pay off the mortgage and be mortgage free. But in reality, it's a very bad idea because it limits your cash flow options. And what some people do is they get the big lump sum and they pay off the mortgage right away. And then 6 months later, they're already struggling to make ends meet on a monthly basis. So again, today I'm talking about, whether it's a regular life insurance policy or a mortgage protection insurance policy. And mortgage protection, I'm talking about the type that gets paid directly to you. Once again, the goal is to control your cash flow, right? Life insurance proceeds are really meant to replace household income over many years. And your objective when you get that money is to help make it last as long as possible, right? Because you need to keep that cash flow to cover the things that can't be paid off in a lump sum. So you might pay off the mortgage, but what about your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, right? Your gas and utility bills, your heating oil in the wintertime. We know that's not fun here in New York. What about childcare expenses, right? Your stay-at-home wife she's gone now, and you don't know the children's activities. You don't know, there's nobody to do the pickups and drop-offs every day at school. There's nobody to do the soccer practice, the dance class, the homework, doctor's appointments, things like that. And here you are, you're the dad, your wife is gone, and you don't know how to do your daughter's hair. Do you need a nanny? Will you need to hire a full-time babysitter? These are all recurring, ongoing expenses that you might be faced with, and once your mortgage is paid off, you now have no option, right? So you are not able to maintain any kind of balance or equilibrium in your life and in your household. So even though it's tempting and it does sound like a great idea off the bat, you do not want to take that lump sum and just throw it at your biggest possible debt. You really want to think, how many years can this money last? Will it help me pay for college for my kids? Is it going to, help me maintain my, quality of life and my children's quality of life? How can we survive? How can we keep the lights on, right? So very, very practical, simple things. I think a lot of people, when they hear maintain your lifestyle, they immediately think red bottom shoes and luxury German cars, but really it's just to get through day to day. And one other thing that a lot of couples may not want to think about, but certainly is the number one objective here, if your spouse is gone too soon, how much time are you going to be able to take off of work to kind of be the rock for your family, for your children, to keep everybody emotionally safe and sound and to get through this difficult time, right? So again, if you pay off that mortgage right away, you're immediately like, how can I go back to work? How can I get a second job to make ends meet? And when you're out of the household and your spouse is gone, it's like the kids have now lost two parents. And that's really defeating the entire purpose of the kind of financial security that life insurance is meant to offer people, right? So I know a lot of times when somebody proposes that you get mortgage insurance, mortgage protection insurance, as a life insurance opportunity, they'll say it's so that you can pay off the mortgage, but in actuality, that's really not the best thing to do. So I hope this is giving you guys some new things to think about and to talk about. And certainly if you have any questions, you can always hit me up, DM me, message me, send me a question. I'd love to help. But happy Monday. Take care.